Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Epson L3250 printer driver in Windows 10 PC or laptop. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you have a Windows 10 or Windows 11 here, any kind of PC, the installation process is actually pretty much the same thing, as long as you're using a 10 or 11. Again, it's pretty much the same here. Now, what we need to do next is you want to go to basically want to know what's your current version or what's the bit of your PC. So to do that, you want to open up any folder here and you want to go and look for this PC and right click on it and just choose the properties. Now once you've done that, this is what you should be seeing. Now in here, what you're looking for is going to be the option or section here that says system type. Now in my case, I have a 64-bit in here, so you want to go and just make sure to remember 64-bit. Now, once you do remember 64-bit here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and open up any browser and just type in the following. It's going to be Epson L3250 driver. Now, once you do type that in, you want to go and just select the first link that you are going to see here. That is from the official website from Epson. So let's go and just choose that one. Now, in here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and choose the download section. And you want to go and choose your OS. Now, depending on what's your OS here, so if you have a Windows 10 PC and a 64-bit, so remember, we saw 64-bit in our PC here. So if you have a Windows 10, 64-bit, go and choose Windows 10. If you have a Windows 11, go and choose 64-bit here. So go and choose either one. It's going to be pretty much the same thing. Go and click on Go. It's going to start showing you the download. So it's going to show you the recommended for you. So Epson Web Installer for Windows, driver utilities, full package. So anything that you may need, this is where you'll be able to have them, like the printer driver, scanner. So it's all packed in one. But if you just want to basically get the printer driver and the scanner, you can go expand drivers here and click on the download for the printer driver. So this is your the actual printer. Now the scanner, this is going to be the actual installer. So go and click on to one of the downloads here. So again, you want to go and click on I agree, click on download, and it's going to start download. Now you want to do the same thing on the scanner, click on download. Just wait for a while here, click on I agree, and click on download. Now once you've done that, you want to go and open this up in a new folder. And in here, since these are .exe or .exe files, what you just need to do is you want to go and just double click on them. Like for example, the printer driver here, double click on it, and it's going to start the installation. So you can go and set this as your default driver, printer, automatic update software if needed, and you can go and click on OK here if you want. And as you can see, it's now installed. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you just need to connect your printer here. Now, don't forget to do this on your scanner as well. But yeah, after you install these .exe files, you just need to basically connect your printer, turn it on, and it will automatically detect the actual printer. But that's about it. So, for this video, avoid the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.